Hi there. Thanks for stopping by to see my channel. If you've been with me before, it has been just a little bit. As a crazy last month, I went on a trip and then I came back and I filmed a video, and then my first week back at work, I got a nasty cold. So I'm a little off my schedule of what I want to do for videos, but hopefully starting to get back in the swing of things. So today I have a subscription box from Jane's Agenda. I love her subscription boxes, and all I did was cut it open, so I have no idea what came this month. But again, she has beautiful packaging. See, look at that. Happy hello. How can you not? Just love it. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just open up here. We'll take a quick look, and then I'll pause to take things out of the packaging to save time and so that we can look at it more closely. All right, here are the goods. All right, it looks like a pen. Let's see, Uniball. Okay, looks like maybe the theme's Je ne sais quoi, the Paris guide, Je ne sais quoi, and got some sticky notes. Rose gold clips. How did they know? I just ordered some of those not too long ago. Looks like some dashboards. Sorry, there's a little bit of glare here I see from the light. Some more dashboards, more. And then we have some inserts. Looks like routine charts and daily docket. All right, so I'm gonna pause, get it all unwrapped so we can get a closer look. All right, I am back with everything open and ready to share. So the first thing is this card, which can be used as a journal card, but on the back it lists all the things in the May box. So I'm just gonna go through these. So the first thing we have is some little quote cards. And I love this. I do this thing called What I Want. That cracked me up. The fears we don't face become our limits. Then we've got some training cards, which is great because one of the inserts is just this like half sheet for I have personal size. That's the box that I ordered. You can order boxes in different sizes, but I have a personal rings planner. So this is just a little half sheet. You can see in comparison to a full size sheet. And this one has routines. Oh, sorry for that noise. So AM routine. So it looks like some habits maybe that you want to achieve. And the nice thing is they include some ideas for habits that you might want to track. They have health and physical routines, emotional and mental, and social. So I kind of read health and physical routines, emotional and mental, and then social. So that's great because I definitely know what it's like to get these things that you think, oh my gosh, this is so cute, but then you kind of blank on what you want to put on it. So that gives you some ideas, and there's a nice amount of sheets, and let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I might have skipped 1 or 2. I might have grouped together, but over 10. So that's a good amount to start with. They also have this effective habits of a confident conversationalist. So cute. Okay, and then we have, the rose gold paper clips. And I clipped one on with the wide part open and with the narrow part, just so you could kind of see how those turn out. Okay, then we have several pieces. Here's a cardstock, very pretty. Good for May there with the hat and the coffee and a book. Many of my favorite things right there. And there's this nice vellum overlay, ingredients, passion, wit, dream, style, craftiness, planning, love, curiosity, fire. You've already got what it takes. Love that. So I like that they have kind of a different assortment for dashboards here. Nice little variety. So this second one I pulled out was you just have to walk into the room and be fearless. Never let people think for a minute that you couldn't totally take them down. And then this one on the black cardstock has some self-care things here, such as clear boundaries, airplane mode for your phone, strong focus, thick skin, savings, self-care, self-respect, close friends, self-appreciation. Great reminders. I love having things like that in the planner. So as you're flipping through and you can see something, gives you some excellent reminders. All right, and then there was this couple of dashboards here you could use for a cover to section, but I also loved how they did two, so you could, when your planner is open, you might have a nice little layout this way. And of course, there's the glare from the light. Let me try that a little bit more like this. There. Hopefully that helped. Okay, I got these great sticky, black sticky notes. They're Post-its. And then the Uniball, I wasn't sure. I tested it out. It is white. So you can see that that shows up real nice on the black. Okay, then we have the daily docket. So it's always fun to experiment with different inserts. And that's the fun thing I think about subscription boxes is it gives you a chance to try some different layouts without necessarily committing yet to completely changing everything in your planner. All right, so this one gives you the days of the week. So you could either put a dot sticker or circle them, write the actual date. In here, they have a small focus of the day that you could write down. Schedule goes from 5 a.m. till 10 p.m. To-do list, I like that this has highlighted so that you could put your top 3. And it's already highlighted for you. Then you've got meals here, total calories, steps, affirmation, and gratitude. So quite a few things on these pages. Then the back side has how you could design it a different way, or if you just wanted it for some extra notes. Again, picking the day, the date, and filling it in. So depending on how your days are, if you want something more mapped out, or if you have a little bit of a looser day, you just want to be a little more creative, or like I said, just have notes, you have a couple of options here. And this pack is even more than the half sheets. So I don't know how well you can see that, probably not, but go this way. There you go. You can see this one, the half sheets is a lot skinnier. So that's nice because again, these are daily. So in theory, you're using one of these a day. There's a lot for you to sample with. Okay, I think that is everything for the May box. I will put a link in below if you want to check out Jane's agenda. As you know, I am fairly new to ring planning, so I have splurged and I'm trying a few subscription boxes, and I really like the Jane's Agenda one. So I signed up for a few of them to try for like 3 months each or something like that. But I think this might be the one that I keep going for a while, but we'll see. Okay, so that gives you an idea of all the fun things. Spread it out even a little bit more. I hope you're having a wonderful time in your planning journey. And if you liked what you saw here today, please consider liking and subscribing or subscribing. I do really appreciate. I think I hit 60 subscribers today or 61. So that was super exciting for me. I was shocked when I had 5. So thank you one and all. And like I said, hopefully I'll get back into my video and creating routines so that I can get myself back on schedule, because you guys actually help me to be accountable to myself as well by doing this. So thank you so much for coming on today. Hope you enjoyed, just even if you're one of those people that loves unboxing videos, hope you enjoyed watching this, and I will see you soon with some more planning things or book things or crafty things. So have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.